continues to embrace the mystique of monochrome with the Air Max 1 PRM Black Cat, set for a holiday 2025 release at around $160. Drenched head to toe in deep black, this version stands out with premium suede materials across the upper and tongue, offering a luxury upgrade over typical editions. Unlike last year's pair, this one features a fully translucent, untinted air bubble, adding a subtle touch of clarity to the otherwise shadowy design. The sneaker's stealthy vibe echoes the fan-favorite Air Jordan 4 Black Cat and hints at a strategic parallel release. With black-on-black colorways extending into models like the New Balance 9060, this iteration of the Air Max 1 keeps Nike in the center of the Black Cat conversation. Elevated by its PRM status and clever timing, the pair blends nostalgia, quality, and style just in time for the holiday shopping season.